Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called The Power That Moves Worlds from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. The power that moves worlds. God has given you free will to choose as you wish. You have the power that moves worlds inside you, and you can either choose light or darkness. Whatever you choose defines the whole of who you are, and it defines your life story in whichever lives you touch. Thank you so much, Danny G. Another powerful poem. I'd like to take some time with you now to think about what you are grateful for today. If you can and able, please close your eyes and think about the good in your life right now. I am grateful for my wife, my friends, my family. I'm grateful for my beautiful backyard. I'm grateful for my car. I'm grateful for air conditioning. What are you grateful for? Now take a deep breath in and let it out. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.